Guangdong GFD Commercial Technology Co. Limited is located in Foshan, south of China. GFD has two brands, INEO and GFD. Up to now, GFD has exported to 148 countries and successfully completed more than 2,500 projects such as Sheraton, Hilton, Crown Plaza and other world-famous hotel chains, as well as some international organizations and well-known companies such as the Peacekeeping Force of the United Nations, Bangladesh Air Force, Mobil Oil, and Sinopec, etc. Our markets are worldwide, in addition to North America and Europe. Clients from developing countries such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa also have a high level of recognition for our products. Most of our products are export-orientated, so our quality inspectors are familiar with the export quality standards. Our products have CE, ETL, UL, SABRE, and other certificates. GFD has a total around 220 staffs and 12 production lines in 3 product centers. Site survey. GFD can provide site measurement, 2D and 3D design, concept design, and MEP drawing. Production. CNC automatic accurate cutting. Quality control. GFD strictly follows the ISO 9001 quality management system to control requirements and carefully supervise from raw materials process to finished products. Commissioning. GFD will test all products for the leakage of water, electricity and gas, as well as high temperature and pressure resistance. Logistics. GFD will make full use of container loading space, export compliant, packaging. GFD strictly makes the package in accordance with export packaging standard. Installation. GFD will provide drawing or video to guide the installation for our customers, as well as sending our professional team to the specific site if necessary. After-sales service. GFD Professional After Sales Department will be online 7x24. We will help you solve your problems very efficiently. Choose GFD. Choose profession.